Hey, happy Monday, everyone. Good to see you. Mr. Whitaker here. 3 more weeks. We can do it. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with our warm-up, and then we have a project that's due tomorrow. And please let me know if you need more time because I plan to do the breakout rooms tomorrow and sell our product, but I need to know if we need to give you an extra day. All right, so I'm sharing up, so I'm already there. But yeah, you go to School of G-Corp 1, 2, 3, or 4. Click on the green folder. And then scroll all the way down to today, Monday, the 17th, which is Miss Oberg's birthday. So if you get a chance to tell her happy birthday, that would be great. That would be awesome. Thanks for doing that. Thanks for signing the card. Looking good so far. So today's vocabulary term is theory. A scientific theory is a well-substantiated explanation of some aspect of the natural world based on a body of facts that have been repeatedly confirmed through observation and experiment. Such fact-supported theories are not guesses, but reliable accounts of the real world. So this it's a lot of words. It was really wordy, but this kind of piggybacks off of whenever we had hypothesis. So that's a guess, but it's an educated guess. Theory is taking that guess, studying it, finding facts, experimenting, getting rid of all the bad things, the things that don't make any sense, and then maybe coming to a conclusion that's very close to whatever the actual answer may be. So this video says, what is scientific theory? And then when you guys are ready, please write a definition in your own terms. Yeah, you're going to want to make it a little bit more sense than what's there because that's pretty complicated. Go down to the comments section and do that. But let me play the video for you.
You've probably seen the word theory all over the place. But what does that really mean? You might say that you have a theory about alien spaceships or about who ate the last piece of cake. But a scientist would not call these theories. A theory is not just a guess that could be right or wrong. It's an educated guess that has been right over and over again in so many different situations that there's no reason to think it's wrong. How does a guess become a theory? Scientists spend their days making observations, designing experiments, and collecting data that lead to facts. By doing this over and over again, scientists can discover many facts, and lots of facts put together support a theory. The beauty of a theory is that you can use it to predict facts that you haven't even discovered yet. Then, later, if those facts turn up, they support your theory even more. A good example of this is the periodic table of elements. The periodic table was developed by Dmitri Mendeleev in the 1800s as a way of organizing the elements, the tiny, unique building blocks of our world, like hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. This wasn't just any table. Mendeleev's theory was that the elements, when put in order by weight, have repeating characteristics. Every time Mendeleev saw a characteristic repeat, he started a new row. When he was finished, there were some gaps in his table, where he saw that there was room for another element that had a specific characteristic. Over time, other scientists discovered new elements, and these fit exactly in those gaps that Mendeleev had left. His theory actually predicted the existence of these elements. But what happens if a theory doesn't predict future facts so well? Or if multiple theories explain the same set of facts? This isn't necessarily wrong or bad, but more facts are needed to eliminate wrong theories and be more certain about the ones that are right. Theories with more facts are sturdier. Other theories may seem equally convincing, but you have to look at the facts that support them. Remember, people use the word theory to mean a lot of different things, but a scientific theory should always be based on a full set of proven facts, not just a few select or invented ones. Looking at the facts supporting a theory is the only way to recognize a true scientific theory when you see one.
Okay. Sorry, that was not me doing that. That was from the video. That was cool. That was good. I like how they used the periodic table of the elements because, yeah, I mean, they thought there were certain things and there were some gaps, and then, yeah, once some of these years later, when some of these scientists passed away, like other scientists filled in those gaps, they discovered those elements. So really cool. So take a moment to stop the video and put your definition in your own words into the comment section down there. Don't forget to do that. Okay, so we'll do that now if you want to freeze. If you don't want to freeze, then hey, we're here. All right, so yeah, today, Monday, make it quick. Yeah, finish up the project. Just whatever you have to do today, finish it up, okay? we want to present those tomorrow. So you might want to, if you have time, if you're done, you might want to practice selling your item, use your presentation, okay, and practice selling that. You know, you can walk away from the conference if necessary once we kind of get through all this. And then you got the lab stations. So I'd love to go over 2 more stations. I believe it would be explore it and research it. I want to say explore it. If you do that on your own, you might be a little confused. So if you happen to be with me, I'll go through that with you guys, and that'd be great. But just so you know, yeah, breakout rooms tomorrow. You know, let me know if tomorrow doesn't work out, but it'll be either tomorrow or Wednesday, and I'll just keep an eye on all of them. It'll be like 4, I think. We'll do that again, and then you just take turns presenting or selling your item, just so everybody is able to see that, and just have fun with it. When you guys are done, we'll get out of the breakout room and do something. But we'll enjoy that we're done. And then so when you get to the EM Spectrum lab stations, there is the Watch It station here, which I think I went over the other day, Friday. And then research the links here. I thought I was done with Padlets. I didn't add anything to this one, but I was like, hey, who did we miss? We did like the African American, we did female, Latino, and then we did Asian Pacific Islanders. So I'm going to share that last one out. But yeah, who do we miss? So, and I'll make sure I put one in there. All right. And I'm going to let you go in just a sec, but I just want to show you a couple of things. And on the right here, you'll see the things that are due and when the due dates are. I know some of them need to shift. Some of them need to change. But one thing that's actually not posted here, and I'll make another video about it, but I'll just show you real quick. I'm excited about these. Well, actually, one of them is the Padlet. The other one is an extra credit. We're doing a little bit of research on a scientist. Not a lot. We just kind of come up with a question that we can add to a quiz, like a quizzes, and then that way we can share that out. And then people can play that and have fun with it. We can play it in class as well. So, yeah, I'll make another video on that one and what to do when you're done. But, all right, you know, ask me questions. Get everything you need done today. We'll figure out if we need more time sometime today, but it's not going to be too much more time because we're getting towards the end of the school year. We don't have time. All right, enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one. Be safe. Be awesome. Bye.